Few different pans of chicken, man. Come on, man. Stay ready, ain't gotta get ready, man. It's over with, man. I can't make this shit up, man. Look. Stay ready, ain't gotta get ready. If you know, you know. Y'all see what's going on, though. I ain't even gotta talk about it. Good morning, everybody. Hope y'all had a blessed week. Hope y'all enjoy this weekend. As y'all can see, Mother Nature is out here acting up a little bit. But stay ready, ain't gotta get ready, man.